Welcome to the English Practice Lab,
Hi everyone, I'm Luke.
and I'm Blair. So happy you're here. This channel helps you learn and practice English in a simple, easy way. We focus on real-life English you can use every day.
That's right. No stress, no complicated words. Just English you can understand and speak naturally.
Today's episode is called English Conversation Practice, Daily Routines and Hobbies.
We all have routines. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work or school, and we also have hobbies like reading, playing sports, or cooking.
In this episode, we'll practice how to talk about your day and your free time in English.
Stick around until the end because we'll repeat the most common phrases slowly so you can practice with us.
Let's start with morning routines. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m., brush my teeth, and take a shower.
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m., make coffee, and read the news.
What about you, listeners? What time do you wake up in the morning? Tell us in the comments.
Don't worry if you're shy. Just write something simple like, I wake up at 8. Easy, right?
Let's practice a few phrases together. Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I make coffee.
Great job. After breakfast, what do you usually do?
I go to work. I usually start at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m.
I also start at 9, but sometimes I work from home.
Do you work or go to school? Write it in the comments. I go to school. Or, I work in an office.
Here are some phrases you can practice. I go to work at 9. I go to school at 8. I finish work at 5. I work from home.
Practice saying it out loud. It really helps.
After work, what's your routine?
I usually go home, make dinner, and watch TV. Sometimes I go to the gym.
I usually play video games or cook dinner with my family.
What do you do in the evening? Do you cook? Watch TV? Write it in the comments.
Here are some evening phrases. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to the gym. I play video games.
Let's talk about hobbies. What's your favorite hobby?
I love playing basketball and usually play on weekends.
I like reading books and painting. What about you, listeners? What's your favorite hobby? Write it down. My hobby is dancing. Or, I like swimming.
Here are some hobby phrases you can practice. I like reading. I enjoy swimming. I love playing soccer. My hobby is cooking.
Are you enjoying this episode so far? If yes, give it a like and follow our channel. Thumbs up.
This is your practice space. Don't just listen. Speak with us, repeat the phrases, and write in the comments.
Learning English is easier when you practice a little every day.
Let's do a mini conversation you can use with a friend. I'll be person A. You be person B. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I woke up early and went for a run.
Nice. What do you usually do after work?
I usually make dinner and read a book. How about you?
I like to play basketball or watch a movie.
That's fun. What's your hobby?
Playing guitar. And you?
Cooking. I love trying new recipes. See how simple that was? You can practice just like this.
Now, let's repeat the most common phrases slowly. Say them with us. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
I go to work. I make dinner.
I watch TV.
I like reading. My hobby is cooking.
Great job. Practicing like this helps you remember and speak more naturally.
Thanks for joining us today on the English Practice Lab. We loved spending this time with you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And in the comments, tell us, what's your daily routine? What's your hobby?
See you next time. Keep practicing and have a great day.
Bye, everyone. Bye.